Ever wondered how to bring a touch of nature into your urban living space without needing a ton of space? Enter vertical wall planters. These savvy solutions offer greenery without the footprint, boosting air quality and aesthetics. That's why vertical wall planters are a game changer in urban living. But what exactly are vertical wall planters? These are innovative gardening tools specially designed to hold plants in an upright orientation. Picture a canvas, but instead of paint, it's adorned with a variety of vibrant plants. They are mounted on walls, hence the name, and are a fantastic solution for those who are short on space or simply want to add a touch of greenery to their indoor or outdoor environments. There are numerous types to choose from, each with its own unique charm. Pocket planters, for instance, have individual sections for different plants. Trellis planters, on the other hand, are perfect for climbing plants and can create a stunning visual effect. So, vertical wall planters are not just functional, but also a delightful addition to any space. Now, you might be wondering, how can I get one of these vertical wall planters? Well, it's simpler than you might think. First, choose a location that suits your plant's needs, perhaps a sunny kitchen wall or a shaded balcony corner. Next, secure your planter to the wall. Make sure it's sturdy. You don't want your green friends toppling over. Finally, select your plants. Consider their sunlight and watering needs. Remember, variety is the spice of life. With just a few simple steps, you can transform your living space with a vertical wall planter. Vertical wall planters are a fantastic solution for bringing more greenery into your urban living space. Not only do they add a touch of nature's beauty, but they also maximize your space, making gardening possible even in the smallest apartments. We've walked through the steps to install one. It's as easy as pick, plant, and hang. Now it's your turn to transform your walls into a lush green paradise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.